What's good, y'all? I'm finna be doing a trade breakdown today. So this is the trade I took on NQ. I'm gonna just it's actually gonna be like a tape read or something like that. But I'm gonna start from the beginning. So usually I just go on my 15-minute time frame and then mark out the 12 a.m. opening. So 12 a.m. opening is right over here. Boom. All right. So boom, we got that. Mark that 12 a.m. opening. All right, so basically I use this 12 a.m. as a premium discount array. So basically anything right here, anything above this, we're going to consider this premium. Anything below, we consider that discount. All right, so I'm going to delete these though. I'm just wanted to show you how I do it. Like, I don't really have it like that. So basically what I look for is I just skip throughout this time because I wait around for this time. From around 3, that's when the action starts to happen. So boom, what do we have here? We got a short-term high. So we mark that out. All right, we mark the short-term high, and then later on we can see that it created a market structure shift, right? So boom, you can do market structure shift right there. All right, cool. Go down here. We see the market structure shift really occurred right here. Right there. So we could put the market structure shift on it's a 5-minute market structure shift. All right. So what do we notice right here? We have a fair value gap plus market structure shift plus displacement. So we write that right here. Plus market structure shift, displacement. I know I spelled displacement wrong, but it's okay, y'all. We got that right over here on a 5-minute. I'm gonna mark this out. 5-minute. 5 minutes. All right. So look, boom. So we come up here, we keep on going. Well, it's like 6, and then 6:30. 6:30. Y'all need to study the 6:30 time. We make relative equal highs. Boom. We made relative equal highs. I noticed we made relative equal highs. No, I think I gotta equal highs. All right, so we got equal highs up here around 6:30, 6:35. All right, same thing. So boom, we start going back down, and then look, we got to turn on the session time. All right, cool. And then boom, we make these equal highs. We go down a little bit, some go up, and then we take out Asia highs. You see how we take out Asia highs right there? We take out Asia highs. We sweep Asia highs. So once we sweep session liquidity, I'm knowing we finna run like down low. So boom, I'm looking for a run lower. I don't want us to sweep London lows yet. I know we probably gonna do it later, but boom. So we start trading. Remember I said this is the discount rate. So we start trading and we go below. We go below the 12 a.m. opening time. Basically discount. We tap into this fair value gap. Let me extend that out for y'all a little bit. All right, so we tap into this fair value gap. Let me show you. Hold on, I'm trying to get this. All right, yeah, we tap into this fair value gap. This is where you put your trade in. Down here at this 5-minute. What I put my stop loss at. Basically take a long right there, and then I put my stop loss right below this low. All right. So basically, what had happened was I put a buy right there, right. It was like right somewhere in the middle right here, and then it went up first, and then I was up buy right here. I left the trade like right over here, something like that. Do I got my executions? I think I got executions. Hold on. It was somewhere around there. Hold on. Yeah, I left like right up here. This first trade I took, y'all, it was a little mistake because I had trading on the 15-minute up here, and I wasn't supposed to do that. But yeah, I left like around somewhere here. Hold on, 71 or 71. I left somewhere around here, but like basically, I was trying to leave for this fair value gap. This fair value gap, because look, I'm gonna tell you why I left here. Let me delete this right there. So I left right here because see, boom. Let me turn this stuff off real quick. Let me turn off my executions too. All right, y'all probably wondering why I left right here. I left right here because look, we also had another market structure shift. Market structure shift. We have also had another market structure shift, right? Going on the lower time frame, we can low-key refine that to no, that's good. That's good enough, I guess. You can really say either one of these are all market structure shift. The first market structure shift recorded right here, though. So that's the first market structure shift. This short-term low, boom. And then what we have here, this displacement. So what we were looking for was what? When it went back up, this is up into premium. Went up to the premium of the 12 a.m. as well. So when I have premium overlining, I don't know, my strategy kind of confusing. Y'all probably watching this video confused. I can break it down better if y'all want me to. But yeah, it works, y'all. It works. I mean, I'm almost past this funded. Made me some nice money today. I took a loss at first, though. I can't even lie. I took a loss. Hold on, let me off on the futures. I took a loss. I took like 4 trades. I thought it was 3. But yeah, I took one loss today. It was for like 300 maybe. So I really would have made over whatever. I would have made this plus 300, so like around 1,003. But I took a little loss. Yeah, that's basically it. That's basically the trade I took. I also traded this too. It was basically like the same trade. I mean, I was in the same trade at the same time. So yeah. All right, y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all next video.